80. 80 plus 10, 80% plus 10 pounds. So sir, what's yours? 315, diba? You place 315?
315, yeah.
260.
Plus 10.
Oh, including plus 10 na yan.
Shit, that was my last week's,
Diba?
triple.
Kung ano yung triple mo last week,
That's your
ito yung
fault.
huli. Tapos next week, depending on how you make it, ganun din.
No, but feeling
It's not super easy.
it did.
And I
Four
felt
reps naman.
my ass felt super like sarap.
I'm so excited for
Pero ito lang hindi.
It pumps up your
you
Parang
know that part right here. Ay, sorry.
Dude, actually, iba yung move shape dapat. Parang after a few squats,
How do you firm that part pala? Kasi kasi parang napansin yung lumalabas sa
You get the under, like when you squat and when you're here, like how you are when you first pull. So back, up, here. So, and actually you can lift more weight if it's like that. Ito, I record it.
Kasi ang napansin ko lumalabas
Watch it when you
Let's go, Darius.
You doesn't just go up, straight up. Back up. Back.
Nice,
Picture
Darius.
your name using back angle.
parang may pag gano'n.
When going up, like when you go down, going up there's a little,
Parang ililift
Yeah.
ito.
Lead with your-
before
lead with your
the-
hips.
Okay. Yun yung nakakaano dito sa
yeah,
ilalim.
and here too. Here, actually the whole here.
Kasi ang lumano ko sa akin yung dito.
Yeah.
Sa taas.
So the whole here.
And ano kaya? Anong tawag doon? Yung mga hands squat.
Same thing. Kasi you're pushing your body.
It's okay.